Hello guys, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today our topic is goal seek. I was getting so many requests to make video on goal seek, so here I am. Goal seek is basically when we want to see the impact of changing of some variable on our outcome, or let's suppose we want some target, then what should be the variable. Like here goal seek means there is some target value which we want to see. Like here we have total computer number 10 and electricity charges, staff salary, rent, and this is monthly expense. So let's suppose it is a cyber cafe and someone wants to know that how much he should charge per hour from the customers. So here it is, if he is charging 10 rupees per hour, then his incurring losses of 15,300. So he wants to know what should be the charge per hour, right? Here is working hours 10. This may be most probably fixed. We cannot apply here because it will not make so much difference. So he want to know what should he charge per hour. So like he want here suppose 5,000 rupees profit. So he want to see, if I want to make 5,000 profit, how much per hour charges should be. So by using goal seek, it will show the results. So come in what if analysis tab and in goal seek. Here is asking for set cell. Set cell means for which we want to see the result. We want to see here, right? And to value, let's suppose I want profit of rupee 5,000, and now it is asking for which is cell you want to change. It means which variable you want to know, which variable you want to fix. So here I want to know what should I charge per hour. So here I am taking this and okay. So if you see here, pressing OK. So if you see, if he wants the profit for 5,000, he should charge per hour 18 rupee 46 paise, right? And supposingly, let's see, if he want profit of rupee 8,000, then what should he charge? Again, come in what if analysis, goal seek, set cell is here because we want to see the put here, and to value, let's suppose 8,000. And by changing cell, we want to change this cell, we want to know what should be the charge per hour. So okay, basically 8,000 is our target value which we want to achieve by changing charges per hour. So here it is showing that he should charge 19 rupee 71 paise. So basically goal seek is using just only one variable to see some target which you fix. We will cover in our next video the solver, in which we can use more than one variable and data. We can use there a whole range, not only the cell. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you very much.